guys, I'm so excited for today's video, as today's video is all about positivity, as I'm going to introduce you guys to my happy jar. But before I tell you about my happy jar, I would really like to talk about why I make this happy jar and what made me do to make this happy jar. Now as you can see, in 2020 all we can see is negativity, in terms of virus, in terms of cyclone. Whenever you on the TV, whenever you on the news, all you can see, all you can hear is all the negative news. And not only on the TV, not only on the news channels, but whenever you scroll on Facebook or Instagram or any social media network, what you see is all the negative news. So during this time when I was trying to be myself super positive, it was very difficult for me, because wherever I see, whatever I hear and wherever I talk is all about those negative news. So that's how I started with this happy jar. Now what I exactly do in this happy jar is every day, however the day is and whatever the time is, I always try to find one positive thing that happened to me on that day. Now in terms of positivity, in terms of positive thing, we always tend to neglect when there is super strong negative storm around us. So when the complete surrounding was negative, what I was trying to do is I was trying to at least get that small thing, that small positive thing that happened to me on that day. It can be anything. So that made me a habit of searching a positivity in that negative environment. So for example, today I made my favorite chocolate cake, and it made me really happy because that I made it for the first time. This is something really happy, and this is something really positive. We tend to neglect such small things by seeing and looking around all the negativity which is happening. Another example that I can take to note it down to be a positive note is if suppose you have spoken to your friend whom you have spoken after a really long time, or you have spoken after many days, after talking to your loved ones or talking to your friend, you felt really happy, you felt really peaceful, you felt really nice. So all these things we neglected. Why? Because these are very small things, and we always feel that we'll be happy if we'll get this, we'll be happy if we'll get that, but we actually forget that there are so many things that can make us happy. So yeah, so what I usually do in this jar is if you can see, there are different colors of papers. So I take a small paper and I note it down all the positive or any single positive note which happened to me on that day. So I do it on any time, during daytime, during night time, during evening time. Whenever I feel, I just note it down what happened to me today, what was a good thing that happened to me today, what was the happiest thing that happened to me today. Even it is if it is a very small thing, I just note this down. So I'll show you how this looks like from inside. Here it is. See, I make notes and chits, and I just put it every day, one positive note, one happy thing that happened to me. And I open this jar during the end of the month, and when I read one by one, imagine I have 30 notes to 31 notes that will only give me something which is very positive and something which actually made me really happy. Now in this I usually don't put the date, but if you guys feel that I really want to know on what date this news I got, or I was really happy on that date for particular this reason, you can note it down the date as well. I usually don't do it. I just do it if there is something really special happened to me. Yeah, so this is how my happy positive jar looks like. You can DIY it in your own way, you can decorate it in your own way, the way you like. I just put a small nice ribbon and made a bow. I studied it and did it for 1 month, and trust me guys, when I opened this jar during the month end and I was one by one reading the note, that made me so fulfilled, that made me so satisfied, that made me so grateful, that I'm so blessed that I had so many things to see, but we just neglect it, or we don't realize it, because there is so much happening around us. And it's a really tough thing in the beginning, that you have to understand, you have to choose a very small thing which actually makes you happy, because we actually don't do this during our regular days or during our regular time. So during this pandemic, during this lockdown, or during any time of your life, whenever you feel so sad, this jar will really help you, because this jar is filled with your happiness and filled with your positivity. This has really helped me to be positive in my life. I've tried this for 2 months, and I just wanted to share this with you guys, because this has actually changed my perspective of looking towards the life, and this really helped me to be happy. When you actually say that you have nothing, you don't have this, you don't have that, but when I read these notes, I feel really blessed and really happy. Not only during this lockdown, I feel I am going to continue this every month, because that's how I create happiness around me, towards me, or I can see the happiness which is already there and the positivity which is already there around me, but I just used to neglect it. We all usually do that. We are humans, and we tend to get attracted towards the negativity, because that is easier compared to focusing on the positive aspects of life. So I would really advise you guys to try this. This happy jar will really help you to create that small things which are really happy and really nice in our life, in our surroundings. I've heard it's never about big things. It is always about that small little things that really matters in our life. I would really advise this to anyone can try, whether it is of our age, or whether the person is elder, he's adult, or he's very young. Even I feel even the kids should try this. You can make your kids to write everything, every positive note on this, so that they get habitual of seeing positivity in their life. So I hope you guys will do the same. And if you guys do this, do let me know on the comment sections below that if this has really helped you. Yeah, so I end this video on this note, that stay happy and stay positive. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I make videos on hair, makeup, fashion, DIYs and styling. I hope to see you on my another video. Until then, stay happy. Bye.